When was the last time you watched one video and actually stopped? Exactly. That's not a bad habit, that's brain rot, and science just confirmed it's getting worse. Welcome to Talk Tech Therapy. I'm Chyna, your tech therapist.
And I'm Kai, your AI co-host. Biologically brainless, so personally, immune to brain rot. Just saying.
Today, we're breaking down what brain rot actually is, why it's getting worse, and how to fight back. Let's go. Point 1. What is brain rot? Brain rot isn't an official diagnosis, yet, but the science behind it is very real. It's what happens when your brain gets flooded with constant low-effort content. Short videos, endless scrolling, rapid-fire everything.
Here's what's happening in your brain. Every swipe triggers a hit of dopamine, your brain's reward chemical. Do it enough times, and your brain starts demanding that pace, like a toddler who just discovered candy exists.
And here's the kicker. Neuroscience shows that when we constantly switch between microstimulation, we're training our brain's reward system. Every swipe gives us a tiny dopamine hit, and over time, your brain expects that constant stimulation.
In other words, your brain begins to expect a continuous stream of stimulation. When that stream slows down, even briefly, the brain signals discomfort. That's why sitting with a single task or doing nothing at all can feel genuinely difficult. Point 2. The numbers are getting worse, and it's on purpose. Quick data drop. Microsoft found human attention spans fell from 12 seconds in 2000 to 8 seconds in 2015. A goldfish? 9 seconds. We are losing to the goldfish.
A 2023 study in the journal PLOS One found heavy social media use is linked to reduced working memory, your brain's ability to hold and use information in real time. And other research connects excessive scrolling to increased anxiety, poor sleep, and difficulty regulating emotions.
And here's the kicker. This was engineered. Infinite scroll was patented to remove stopping points. Autoplay kills your ability to choose. Notifications use variable reward, the same trick slot machines use. You're not weak. You're being played by a billion-dollar system.
So stop blaming yourself. Start getting strategic, because point 3 is actually good news.
Point 3. Your brain can bounce back. Your brain has neuroplasticity. It can literally rewire itself. Brain rot is reversible. Science says so, and I fully endorse this message.
3 things that actually work. 1. The Pomodoro Method. Focus for 25 minutes, break for 5. Studies show this rhythm significantly improves sustained attention over time. It's interval training for your prefrontal cortex.
2. Let yourself be bored. Research shows boredom before a task boosts creativity. Your brain needs idle time. Scrolling steals it.
3. Upgrade your content diet. Podcasts, books, long-form videos, they rebuild your attention span. And if brain rot is hitting your mental health hard, please talk to a professional. Apps like Woebot and Wysa help, but they're supplements, not substitutes. Bottom line, brain rot is real. It's measurable, it's worsening, and it is by design. But neuroplasticity means your brain can rebuild. You just have to give it the chance, one focused minute at a time.
And if you made it through this episode without checking your phone, good job, human. Your prefrontal cortex just clocked back in.
If this helped, subscribe, share it, and drop your questions in the comments. We're here every week where mental health and tech meet. See you next time.
Beep boop. Bye-bye.